Ben's big swim. Hello, my name is Ben. Hello, my name is Rosie. This is Grandpa. This is Grandpa's van. It's fantastic. Ben, Rosie's brother. Rosie, Ben's sister. Grandpa, Mom. Clank, Grandpa's robot. Max, Ben's friend. Now let's read about Ben's big swim. It's a sunny day. It's very hot, says Max. Please, can we go to the swimming pool, Mom? Says Ben. I'm sorry, says Mom. I can't take you now. I'm going to the store. I have an idea. Let's go to the beach, Grandpa says. You can swim there. Great! I love the beach, says Rosie. Grandpa shouts, Clank, where are you? Here, says Clank. The children are sitting in the van. Take us to the beach, Clank, says Grandpa. The children look at the houses and trees. Then, wow, look at the lights, says Rosie. We're here, says Grandpa. The children jump out of the van. Rosie is happy. Look at the sand, she says. I want to make a sand castle. She takes a bucket from the van. It is very windy at the beach today. Ben looks at the sea. He is not happy. We can't swim here, says Ben. The waves are too big. I have a new idea, says Grandpa. You can swim in a rag pool. A rag pool? How can we swim in a little rag pool? Asks Max. We can use the van, says Grandpa. Let's go, Ben and Max. Grandpa pushes a red button in the van, and then... "We're little!" shouts Max. Grandpa drives the van to a rock pool. Splash! They go under the water. They see seaweed and shells in the water. "I can put the van next to that big shell," says Grandpa. "Then you can swim." Ben points at the seaweed. "What's that behind the seaweed?" he asks. It is a crab with big, strong claws. "Let's go!" shouts Max. But the van can't go. It is in the crab's claw. Water is coming into the van now. "Can you make the van big, Grandpa?" says Ben. "No," says Grandpa. "The rock pool is too small." He runs to the door. "Quick, Ben," Grandpa says. "Swim and find Rosie." Ben swims in the cold water. He does not look at the big crab. "Go, Ben, go!" shouts Max. Ben is very scared. He swims and swims. Ben climbs out of the rock pool. "Rosie!" he shouts. "Clunk!" But Rosie and Clunk are looking for shells. They can't hear Ben. He's too little. He runs to the sand castle. Ben climbs to the top of the sand castle. He jumps up and down and shouts, "Here!" "What's that?" says Rosie. "It's your big brother," says Clunk. "But now he's little." Rosie runs to the rock pool. "The van is little too," she says. Rosie takes the van out of the water. "Oh no, there's a crab on it," she says. Grandpa pushes the button. Now the van is big again. Ben is big again too. Where's the crab? Says Max. It's running home to the rug pool, says Rosie. Let's go home too, says Grandpa. They go home in the van. Mom is taking the shopping bags into the house. We can go to the swimming pool now, Ben, she says. No, thank you, says Ben. No swimming for me.